Now, turn your hand a little bit. Turn this hand also. Yeah, like this up. Now, you just keep focusing here, in between here. And now your hands will come as fast as your unconscious mind resolves this conflict so that you have both the benefit. So that you can become successful. It will come as fast as your unconscious mind resolve this conflict in the best and healthiest possible manner, acceptable to you consciously also, and it has both the positive intention. That's right, coming closer and closer, closer and closer, closer and closer. That's right. Wonderful job. That's wonderful. About to touch now. That's one. Coming closer and closer, closer and closer, closer and closer. Close your eyes now. This become your new part. Now take this new part into your heart. Inside. Feel this new part inside you. And now see yourself into a future situation. Same kind of situation in the past which you're not able to do certain things. In the future situation, you're using this part to become successful. See that, feel that, huh? Take a deep breath and see you have a new part now that has both the positive intention so that you can do what you want to do, right? So count 1, 2, 3, come.